Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will see how we can update Python installation location to the path environment variable in Windows 11 operating system. So first what we do is we will find out the location where Python has been installed in the computer. And here I'm going to open up this PC, which is nothing but the file explorer. And then Python is installed in the drive where operating system files are installed if you have chosen the default settings while installing Python. So here my operating system files are installed in the C drive. So I'm going to open up local disk C. And now what we have to do is in the top, we guys can see three dots. If I take my cursor, it says see more. Click on that. It will open up a menu. You guys can see options. Click on that. It will open up folder options window. Here you guys can see view. Click on that. And then you need to select the show hidden files, folders and drives radio button. After that, click on apply. Okay. Now in this file explorer, you guys can see some hidden files. Here we need to open up users folder. And then here we guys can see a folder with the name of the user account. My user account name is Anil Shetty, and that's why I can see that folder here. In your case, it will be different. It doesn't matter what name you have. Just open up this folder, open up app data, open up local, and then open up programs. And then you guys can open up Python. And again, you will see a folder with the name Python and some number. This number may be different. This number is nothing but the Python version installed, and it may be different in your case. It doesn't matter which number it has. Open up this folder. And now here you guys can see the Python installation files. What we have to do is we have to copy this path. So one simple trick is we can go to this navigation section where we can see the folders that we have gone through to come to this location. So what we do is we go to the empty area in this navigation bar and we left click once. It will highlight the path. Then we can copy by right clicking and by clicking on copy. After that, we can minimize it. Now what we do is we click on the start button and we search for edit environment variables. It will open up environment variables window. Here in the user section, we can see the variable called as path. Click on it to select it. Then click on the edit button and then click on new and then right click and paste the path that we have copied. And after that, in the end, insert a backslash. Click outside. Again, click on new. Again, paste the path that we have copied. Add a backslash and then type in capital S CRIPTS scripts. Then add a backslash. I will expand it so that you guys can see it better. Like this. After that, click outside. So we need to add these two entries. One more thing that we have to do here is if you find an entry with a name, user profile, app data, local, Microsoft, Windows apps, then what you have to do is you have to click on it to select it. Then you have to click on move down so that that entry will appear below the path that you have inserted. So here we have added two entries and this Windows apps entry is now below these two entries that we have added. Okay. After that, click on OK. Click on OK. Now we have updated Python installation location with path. We can verify that by clicking on start button and we will search for CMD. We will open up the command prompt and here we will type in Python space -- version, and if I hit the enter button, we can see the Python version installed in the computer. So here if you get this Python version, then it means that we have installed Python and also we have set the path environment variable properly. So this is it guys. This is how we can add the Python installation location to the path environment variable. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.